Hi there my lovelies. Well, today we are going to make bread and I reckon it's going to take about 8 hours to do this. So we start off with the starter. As you can see, look, it's all bubbling up all nicely because I did such a great job. What we need is flour, strong blood flour, 600 grams. I'm going to put them there, weigh it out right now. A little bit of salt, 150 ml of the starter. That is it. Mixy, and then let it rise for about hour and a half. A little bit of mixing. Let's get on with it. Sourdough, here we come. Can you see that lot? That's 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. We'll do 600. $100, $250, $3, $4, $5, $50, $6. Beautiful. A little bit over. Big scheme for easy, doesn't really matter. A good pinch of salt, as you can see. Woo. Put it in. How good does that look, eh? Salt Bay has nothing on me. 150 of the magic juice. 150. Oh, a little bit too much there. Just means we'll get bigger bread. Can't complain about that, can we? So, that in here. Give it a good mix. And you're going to need some prepared. You're going to need some prepared. Get everywhere, obviously. Warm, not tap water. Filtered water. That's what I use. So big and right bits here. You see that? That's rubbish. Here is the prepared jug. Let's get it in there. So we want it quite sloppy, not too dry. Looks like we need loads more, to be fair. Now then, I have done one loaf with this starter. It wasn't too bad, to be honest. Had a good taste to it. It's quite nutty. But this time, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Last one was a bit smaller. I only used 500 grams of flour. This time's a little bit more. So this should be good. I'm going to put it into what we call these days Dutch oven. But I've got Le Crusoe copy, thanks to Sainsbury's, who are not sponsoring this. You know, I don't think they've got Jamie anymore. They might need me. Hey! He's gone to Tesco's, I think, hasn't he? But I don't know. I don't keep up with these sort of things. Right. That's come together, as you can see. You'll see. Now I can use my hands, which are clean. Oh, what I will do is, so I've been watching lots of videos, and if you wet your hands, it doesn't stick apparently. Let's give that a go. I'm all for learning new techniques. One probably is have a different shirt on, or at least do the buttons up, one or another. So, this is quite wet, but after lots of kneading, it should start coming together, as you can see. It starts to come together. It looks sticky. It's working, you know. This water on your hands. So ever with these things, it's always worth doing a bit of research. And that's why you're here. Let's see, Pete, the baker. Second loaf in 2 years, this will be. Get some of his expert tips. Well done you for coming, that's all I can say. Oh dear. Alright. Right, this is boring for you. All I'm going to do now is, I'm going to knead that a bit longer. I'm going to put it near the radiator, leave it for an hour, probably 2, because this yeast is a bit slow. And then we're going to re-knead it again, put it into the Dutch oven, let it rise, chuck it in the oven and bake it. That's what it's going to take, 6 hours to 8 hours. Thanks for watching. Mwah. Alright, we're back then. We're going to carry on making this beautiful bread. As you can see, it has risen. Look at that. Nice and spongy. It's looking really good actually. That is looking really bloody good. So I'm going to flatten it out again. Put it into this beautiful bowl. Let it have its second fermentation, and I'm going to put it into the hot oven. So watch me. Look, see what I've done. Look, I have taken my jewellery off. How sensible. Probably not the best way to put it. What do you think about it? So let's get some flour. Done. Also, I've taken off my top because let me just get my water. Take it off my top because I'm getting flour everywhere. Oh my god! Look at that! Look at that! Perfect timing. What a great time to do these things. Let's get this out. Just look at this, it's looking bloody gorgeous. Do you know what? I'm very hopeful about this loaf of bread. It's taking no kneading whatsoever. No kneading, beautiful. It's just looking absolutely velvety. Velvety. Right. That took absolutely nothing. Really did. Look at that beast. Oh! This is going to be perfect for tomorrow. I think. I'll be having some tonight, I think. Right, let's put it in. As the Americans like to call Dutch oven. We call it casserole dish. Who's right, who's wrong, God knows. So this is going by the radiator to get warm again. Double in size, then we'll chuck it in the oven. We'll have a nice loaf of bread. See you later. Okay. Wow, it's come out of the oven. As you can see, it's overproofed. Boo. So let's have a look. Yeah, it's a little bit sticky. We just have to pull these bits off, pull it round. I don't know what to say. I don't know what's happened. I'm not a bread maker yet, so I don't really know. All I know is I'm just going to put it straight in the oven, I think. Can't really do a lot more. It's very bubbly. So hopefully we're going to get some really nice light bread, hopefully. Oh. So I'm going to fill this tin up of water and make a bath to go in the bottom of the oven. So it steams it, so we get a nice crust. That's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to put it into high oven, about 210, for about 15 minutes. And then turn it right down, let it go for another 20 minutes, and we'll check, see if it sounds hollow. If it sounds hollow, it's cooked. But I am a little bit worried about this overs. But anyway, let's just chuck it in the oven now. Oops. Let's do it. Chuck it in the oven. Let's go. We're going to open the door. Put that in there. Ooh, it's hot. Ow, ow, ow. Can you hear that? Put it in there. Wish me luck. So let's check out the bread. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. How bloody amazing. Oh, here it comes. I hope I can get all this paper off. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, so this is it. Wow. Listen to it. Can you hear that? Oh my god. Yes. Right. Let me take this paper off. Give it 10 minutes and let's cut it. I can't wait. Hiya. So it is time to cut this beautiful beast. It's gonna be gorgeous. Knife ready, or and what's the time now? So it's 6 o'clock. This has taken, I reckon, nearly 7 hours to get to this point. But look. Look at that. How spongy is that? Can you hear it? Okay, it's a taste test. I like the butter, but let's try this first. As ever with making your own bread, sorry about speaking mouthful. I always eat it. Right, still not. I'm only supposed to wait it. Oh. You can smell that sourdough now. Taste it. Right, it's gonna be glorious. So, thanks for watching, and I hope it inspired you to make your own bread. Well, this is gorgeous, absolutely. Can't wait to batter on this. This is what we're doing now. Thanks for watching. We're up here, or even up here. You see how I make the starter. That's a good place to start. There's nothing wrong with using bought yeast though. Make yourself bread. You have to invest 6 hours, but it does make a good loaf. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.